Imagine a leading tech firm, deeply embedded in the IT services industry, wrestling with a conundrum. They need to extract SEC filings data under 13F holdings and use that data to create insightful, easy-to-understand dashboards. But how? The data is locked away in a SQL server, and the process of extraction and transformation is far from straightforward. Enter Blackcoffer, a company with a global team of experts who have been providing exceptional insights and solutions for over 12 years. They tackled this challenge head-on, developing a unique solution to address the tech firm's needs. In layman's terms, Blackcoffer's solution involved designing and developing a Python tool, a Python API, and a Python cron job, all intricately interconnected. The solution also involved creating a SQL database. To handle the data extraction, the team used Python to parse the XML content nestled between the tags in the file. This process transformed the data into a tabular format, similar to an HTML representation. But the magic didn't stop there. Blackcoffer took this standardized XML and inserted it into a new table called 13F_holdings. This was done using an advanced Python function called pandas.toSQL with an append feature, which automatically creates and inserts data into the table as needed. To avoid duplicates, exception handling was employed, adding a primary key. This Python code was then neatly wrapped in a function. The result was a streamlined process of extracting, transforming, and loading the data into a new table. The final deliverable was a MySQL database uploaded to the client's server. This accomplishment was made possible through the use of various tools, including Python, Jupyter Notebook, Beautiful Soup, XML Atri, NumPy, Panda, ITER Tools, MySQL, PyMySQL, and Sklalkami. To put it simply, Blackcoffer managed to turn a complex data extraction problem into a smooth, automated process. The impact on the client was significant. With Blackcoffer's solution, the tech firm could now easily access the required data, create dashboards, and gain valuable insights. This solution not only met the client's needs but also opened up new possibilities for data visualization and analysis. In the world of IT services, solving complex problems with elegant, effective solutions is the name of the game. And in this case, Blackcoffer proved to be a masterful player. For more information about Blackcoffer's solutions and services, visit www.blackcoffer.com. They are ready and eager to tackle your most challenging problems, turning them into opportunities for growth and success.